Imagine if in just minutes from now, you could be producing professional, high-definition and incredibly engaging videos for any business niche you can think of. Better yet, imagine having local businesses crave your help to generate revenue, leads and profits for them, while you get paid handsomely in the process, creating a true win-win situation. Introducing VideoZ Agency. We created the first ever 100% agency-focused video builder in the online marketing space. There are other video builders out there, and I'm sure you own many of them, but VideoZ Agency is the first ever fully dedicated video builder specifically for agencies and local marketers. It only has one purpose: to produce high-quality videos for any local niche you can think of, quickly and easily. We have hundreds of niche templates available for you. Just pick and choose. Restaurants, realtors, wedding, travel, fitness industry, accountants, contractors, doctors, home cleaning, car repair, and the list goes on and on. Any niche you can think of for your agency to cater to, we got it covered for you. And we kept it crazy simple. In fact, there are only 3 steps. Step 1, pick your local niche template. Step 2, customize the video to your liking. Step 3, render it and collect profits. It's that simple. And yes, you read that right. You can customize every template 100% to the liking of your client. Customize the call to action, customize the logo, customize everything. But here's the kicker. We are also providing you with a professional voiceover for most of the video templates. Listen to that again. You will save thousands of dollars, not only because of the incredible videos you are getting today, but also because we've added professional voiceovers already for you. This will save you thousands of dollars. And we don't stop here. Incredibly fast rendering times, outstanding support, everything is cloud-based, audio tracks are included, and now get ready for the best part. We are also providing you with 4 different video types. Usually a video builder only focuses on one type of video, like animated videos, but we are going all in for you. If you take action right now, you can create explainer videos, whiteboard videos, animated videos, and even real person videos. Just go ahead and check some of the incredible examples below. And please don't forget that freelancers and video companies charge hundreds and thousands of dollars to create videos for others. Here are 2 quick real examples that I found right away on Fiverr. Starting today, you can generate this type of revenue as well. Sell each video, charge a monthly fee, or offer your video services on freelance sites or directly to local businesses. Your income opportunities are endless, and every business knows that they need help with their video marketing right now. We worked hard to make this a total no-brainer for agencies and marketers. Over 100 business video templates, 100% full customization, professional voiceovers, audio tracks, explainer videos, animated videos, whiteboard videos, and real person videos. Being able to create videos in minutes with super fast rendering times, and you can charge as much as you like for each video. It's one heck of a fantastic agency package. And here's the best news. During this launch special, you can get everything you just heard about for next to nothing. So take action right now, come on board and get access to the first ever fully dedicated agency video builder. Take action now and I'll see you inside the members area.